Let me see if this is right. Yeah, might be right. Okay. Seahawks. Let me tell you why it's better to work in a place, in a country, and have a gap year or maybe a cultural exchange instead of just paying for the cultural exchange and studying in a place. You probably can't see it back there, but today I was asked to cover for a teacher in a school that's not part of my routine. And you usually would say, oh, but my free time, I was going to do that and this and that, but I don't know a lot of people here. I don't know all the places. So when I was told to come to this school in a remote part of the city, not that remote actually, but I hadn't been here before. I hadn't been here before. I got here and I was impressed. I mean, I was shown for free. Actually, I was paid to be shown a good part of the city, and I'm really glad. I mean, I even filmed some of my intros for some online courses I'm producing, and that's what I wanted to say. Actually, I'm not sure if I made my point clear, but when you pay, I mean, my family doesn't have money to pay, so I could go to a country and study and do things. So what I did is I chose to come and work, maybe in a job that I wouldn't want to do it for the rest of my life, like teaching kids and stuff, which is really fun, by the way. I just learned. I mean, I used to do it wrong, I guess. I tried to teach grammar and be really strict with kids, and all they want to do is have fun and repeat what you say. So I came here and I was really surprised by the idea of learning about the culture, visiting new places, doing my regular job, which is producing online courses. And this surprised me. I mean, my job, which is paying for me to be here and allowing me to do my real job, is showing me and actually helping me to be better at my real job. Does that make sense? I hope so. Really good.